Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe with Shopify 2026, step by step. Plus, what to do if Stripe isn't directly available in your country. First, important setup rule. In most countries, Shopify already uses Stripe internally through something called Shopify Payments. This means you usually don't need to manually connect Stripe, you just enable Shopify Payments. Step 1. Check if Shopify Payments is available. Go to the Shopify admin, click Settings, and then Payments. Right? Look for basically Shopify Payments. Right? This is the supported payment methods. Just go ahead and add a payment method and type Stripe. Right? Enable it. This is powered by Stripe behind the scenes. If you didn't find it, that means that it's not available in your region yet. Alright? So now activate Shopify payments. Inside, click activate Shopify payments, enter business details, bank account, personal verification, submit and verify. Once approved, you're ready to accept payments. You can add backup payment methods like PayPal, right? Or manual payments or your local payment method. This increases conversion rate. What if Shopify payments is not available? This is common in some countries. In that case, you cannot directly connect Stripe to Shopify. Instead, you can use third-party gateways. You could use Stripe via third-party integration. Option 1, payment gateways that supports Stripe, like to checkout, right? To checkout, now verify, right? Or pay tabs, right? Or other regional providers. Option 2, you can create a Stripe account in a supported country, right? This is advanced and requires legal setup. You need business registered in supported country, bank account, address verification. This is how many global sellers access Stripe. Once you connect payment gateway to Shopify, you're gonna do the same thing. Choose your provider, enter API keys or credentials, and save. And test your payment system. Before going live, make a test order, use test card details, confirm payment flow works. Always test to avoid losing customers. Step 7, understand fees. Using Stripe or Shopify payments require a transaction fee, 2.9% plus fixed fee, currency conversion if applicable. Fees vary by country. Step 8, set payout settings. Inside Shopify, right, you can choose payout schedule, link your bank account, and track earnings. Payouts usually take 2 to 5 business days, right? Step 9, optimize checkout for more sales. To increase conversions, enable multiple payment options, use local currencies, add trust badges, keep checkout simple. Right? Avoid trying to connect Stripe directly, right? Not supported. Ignoring Shopify payments, not testing checkout, using unsupported country, missing verification document. So to rewind, open Shopify, go to payments, add a payment method, right? You can also enable, or before you enable the payment method, you can go ahead and enable Shopify payments via Stripe inside, depending on your region. Add bank details and then test checkout. Done. If Stripe not available, you can use pay tabs, right? Pay tabs or to checkout or manual payments, right? Like in my case, STC Pay, right? Done. So connecting Stripe to or connecting Stripe with Shopify in 2026 is simpler than most people think. In most cases, Stripe is already built into Shopify payments. So you just need to activate it. If it's not available in your region, use third-party gateways or supported business setup. Focus on smooth checkout, verified account, reliable payment flow, right? That's what drives real sales here, right? So just to rewind one last time, avoid trying to connect Stripe directly, which is not supported, ignoring Shopify payments, not testing checkout, using unsupported countries, right? Missing verification documents, right? Open Shopify, go to payments, enable Shopify payments before you go to the add payment method, right? Add bank details, test checkout, and you're good to go. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps. Even if you share this video without watching it, it really helps people who have potential prospects for using Shopify. So until next time, see you.